It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Could you be, won't you be my neighbor? BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and I'm here today with NANABOOZHOO, of course, and with and today I thought I would go back to the beginning. This is sort of the introductory Ojibwe language lesson, and I'll be referring to the book Like Snow on Skin, which is the book you get when you sign up on the Patreon page. For supporters of the show, they get, and what Like Snow on Skin is a quick reference guide to Ojibwe language phrases and stuff. So let's begin with basic pronunciations. So like if you walk around Bemidji, you're going to find signage that it'll say like, welcome, and then the other door will say BOOZHOO. And for some people, they'll be like, oh, BOOZHOO, how, And you'll find other words which are half a mile long and have double I's and double O's and E's and ZH's and stuff. And they can be kind of intimidating. So this is the Ojibwe double vowel sound, whatever. So let's begin with ZH. ZH, as in the word like BOOZHOO, always has the zha sound. ZH is zha, as in like measure or treasure, zha or BOOZHOO. A, when you see that in an Ojibwe word, will have an sound, like in the word sun, It's not the long A. Two A's will be the sound, like in father. Two A's is an sound. One I, as in the word sit, is an sound. Two I's is like an E sound. Think of the word we, that video game. Two I's is an E. And like in me, gwetch, we spell that M-I-I, me. And then the O is the long O, like in go or in Ojibwe. Two O's is an oo sound, like in food, oo, or in moon. And then the E is always an A sound, and you can think of the word Ojibwe. So the E is an A. So one more time, ZH is zha, A is two A's is one I is two I's is E, one O is O, two O's is oo, one E is A. And those are the double vowel chart, the double vowel system or whatever. That was really boring and stupid. Let's not use that at all. All right, we're going to start over and make this entertaining. BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. My name is Michael Lyons, and I'm here with NANABOOZHOO and with Natasha. And today we're just going to play a couple of songs. I want to remind everyone, if you'd like to support the show, we have a Patreon page. You can click the description, click the link in the description. And everyone who signs up for monthly support will receive the book Like Snow on Skin, which is a quick Ojibwe language reference guide. And it's got just basic phrases and definitions It's not a dictionary, but it's a handy thing to have. And let's begin with a song by, what do you guys think? Bruce Springsteen? Okay. Here's a song by The Boss, and it's NANABOOZHOO. You want to sing it? Okay. So this is, we'll do harmonies or something. Dancing in the Dark.
Get up in the evening, and I ain't got nothing to say. I come home in the morning, I go to bed feeling the same way. I ain't nothing but tired. Man, I'm just tired and bored with myself. Hey baby, I could use just a little help. You can't start a fire. You can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire, even if we're just dancing in the dark. Message keeps getting clearer. Radio's on and I'm moving around the place. I check my look in the mirror. I wanna change my clothes, my hair, my face. Man, I ain't getting nowhere. Just living in a dump like this. There's something happening somewhere. Baby, I just know there is. You can't start a fire. Can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire, even if we're just dancing in the dark. You're sitting around getting older. There's a joke here somewhere and it's on me. I'll take the world off my shoulders. Come on baby, the laugh's on me. You hang out late in this town, and they'll be carving you up all night. They say you gotta stay hungry. Hey baby, I'm just about starving tonight. I ain't looking for action. I'm just trying to write this book. I need a love reaction. Come on, give me just one look. You can't start a fire sitting around crying on a broken heart. This gun's for hire, even if we're just dancing in the dark. You can't start a fire worrying about your little world falling apart. This gun's for hire, even if we're just dancing in the dark. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. Even if we're just dancing in the dark.
Oh, and you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons. This is NANABOOZHOO and Natasha. BOOZHOO! And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa. Oh, what? Oh, what? Oh, I gotta do the final. Remember this? That's my favorite.
Na, 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 na. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please remember, give us a thumbs up.
Do you want to edit this thing and I'll go start dinner?
Yeah, okay, let me just finish telling these people. And click the link if you'd like to support us financially. Miigwech. All right.
Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture.